All right, folks, we're inside Cindy's bathroom. We're doing the demo. Mandeep is here. He's just pulling the tub now. So we're taking out an old, looks like an old Sterling tub, actually. It's not acrylic. It's a pressed fiberglass tub that they had, actually. So that's coming out. We've got a new Merlin acrylic tub going in, soaker tub, beautiful soaker tub, actually. We're going to change the old valve, change the old plumbing. We've demoed over here where the shower used to be. Somebody's done something really wrong here. They have put outside hose bibs inside the wall. I don't know if you can see, but this one was leaking. We've actually got rot on the floor here. We now have to cut out the floor, change that. You should never, ever put a valve buried inside the wall. If that valve fails, which this one has done, it creates a leak. But to get to the valve, you got to rip tile out, rip a shower out. You're into thousands of dollars. Have your valves on the exterior where they're going to be serviced. Keep your copper, your PEX inside the walls with tight fittings. We're going to change the exhaust fan. We're going to change the pot lights here. And things are looking pretty good. So Mandy's going to start the rough and plumbing, drop some valves in. And before you know it, we'll be out of here. Take care and bye for now.